Why am I here? Why? Bye, Mecca.
Hey guys, it's Mac and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved my YouTube setup. And I'm really excited because I've been working on it and brainstorming about it for quite some time. And now that I've moved home and made the room space for it, I finally got the setup that I was looking for. And I'm excited to show you the process. So I'm going to rewind back to the end of November when I first cleared out space to create this corner. Okay, so here is the corner of my room that I'm going to be working with to create my YouTube corner. For any of the items that I showed in this video, I will link as many items as I can in the description box below. It's only because some of these were gifts. I'm not being shady. Some of these were gifts and I don't know. So first we can start with the backdrop. I don't know the name of the fabric. It's a metallic pink that I purchased at Joann Fabrics. Originally it was $59. But I got a 20% off coupon, so I think I paid $47, which was still, like, I didn't want to pay that much for it, but, like, it was worth it, and I did get a decent amount of fabric. Next, we have the ring light. The ring light is amazing. This is from Amazon. It's by the company Newer. I love it a lot. I think it just brings out the best quality of lighting for my dark room, and it reflects well with the backdrop. The light comes with a yellow cover and a white cover, so you can kind of have control over the types of light you're having during filming. I currently am using the yellow cover as I feel like it goes better with my skin tone and, like I said, with the backdrop. Next, we have these chairs, which were a gift from my parents. I think they were on Amazon. I can try to link those in the description box. These chairs are really nice, and I just wanted something comfortable and tall that I could sit and record in. Last, we have the tripod. The tripod is a Manfrotto. I think that's how you pronounce it. A Manfrotto tripod. And I just wanted a tripod so I don't always have to record on my phone, and I can go back to alternating between my phone and my Canon camera. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just wanted to record this to show you guys that you can make your own YouTube studio in your own room or your own house, and it can really look legit, and you can really like make it however you want it to be. I always knew that I wanted something bright and pink and really girly, and I'm obsessed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Let's try that again. Used or
That doesn't count.
It does count.
It doesn't.